Hi folks, this is Avnish Mathur. I'm an engineer, I'm a scientist, I am a developer, implementer, whatnot. But who am I really? Until a month ago, I was a student of University of New South Wales, Australia. I finished my degree in computers and my specialty was robotics. Whenever I made robots or worked with them, I always had this thought, a feeling that whenever I make robots and put them in public, all I'm gonna do is kick somebody's jaw. I don't like that. I don't want to do that because it's something that's wrong. It's like somebody's working there for the past 20 years and suddenly a robot comes in and takes their position or place. It's not good. But then suddenly when I finished my degree, an opportunity knocked my door and asked me for a project. And in two simple words, I'll explain that. Save Tiger. What does it have to do with me? Okay, I'm innovative, yes. I make robots, yes. Let's talk robots. How can we save tigers with robots? I'll tell you how. But before that, I'll just show you this nice video that I've made up for you guys to watch. It's a whiteboard video that explains the statistics and everything in detail about why we need a robot and why do we need to save tigers. What's the need and why tigers? Alright, I'll be back after the video. Alright, now that you watched the video, what do you think the problem is that tigers are facing? We don't know that. To begin with, we don't even know what the tiger does in the daytime. Does it just sit around? Does it walk? Does it fight for its prey? Or, like, essentially, what does it do? We don't know that. So we don't know the problem we are trying to solve. And the main problem is to save the main thing we want to do is to save the tigers without the actual issue. One of the issues we know about is poaching, but is that enough? Is that the only reason tigers are coming to an end? And the poaching cannot just be the only reason. So we need to find that reason. I have a solution. Hopefully it is a robot. All that robot does is to follow the tiger. And when I say it, it sounds very easy, but it's actually not. It's very challenging and very risky. Challenging is yes, because I'm essentially following a living being. It has a mind of its own, it thinks itself, and the robot cannot think the same way as the tiger does. To some extent we can, because we've seen them doing things, but what that particular tiger does, we don't know that. Once it starts running, it's that fast that a normal person or a robot cannot follow it. What do we do then? That's the main challenge. And inside the forest, it's even worse. That's the biggest challenge I'm going to face when I work with this robot. But it's innovation, it's technology. We can get it, we can do it, and that's my whole aim with this project. What's in it for you guys? Or how can you help? Well, I need you. I need your support and technical help. I need all the innovation freaks who can get me advices or even help me. Plus the funders. All the funders, I would like to thank you beforehand to fund me, or if you would or think about funding me or even help me with anything in this project, I'll appreciate that. What's the rewards for the funders? The rewards is that I'm going to form a committee that innovatively works for the tigers and helps them somewhere or the other. Initially, you start with the robots, but then later on, technology will always improve and we'll have something more. Now, plus, on top of that, you may become a member of this committee. Secondly, you get the unedited recording that the robot is able to capture. If it's a 10-day recording, you get that. If it's a 20-day recording, you get that. Depending on how much funding you've done, and say if you make 10 robots in that funding, and you were the highest funder, you get all those 20 robots, all the recording that those 20 robots were able to make. Plus, whenever you visit India or you make a trip to India, we'll take you to the special safari where we hope you are able to see a tiger. We really hope you do. Plus, if somebody actually is interested, then we can even take you onto the field operations and research whilst the robot is being made, because that's also very interesting and I love it. I love the research part of it as much as I do love developing it. So anybody who is a wildlife freak, innovative freak, would like to come join us, we're open for that as well. I want your comments, I want emails, everything. It's an open project, it's our project, it's your project, it's my project, everyone's project. So I hope to see you guys, and I really would like to thank you for all the funds that you would give me and all the support and help. Thank you guys. My email is just after this video, and you can always comment here or anywhere else. Thanks a lot. Bye.